Megan Fox looked sensational in a green top and faux fur hat as she joined her fiancé Machine Gun Kelly for some lunch on Sunday in London. She added a pair of smart black pants and peep-toe heels to complete the look and carried a fur and leather trench coat over her arm in case it got cold. Machine Gun Kelly wore a Louis Vuitton jacket over a black t-shirt and jeans. He added a chunky necklace and orange tinted glasses to complete his look. The outing comes after he brought his daughter Cassie on her first Europe tour, something he had been documenting on Instagram. He was spotted with Cassie touring Paris during the day while in the evening spending it with Megan Fox. He shares daughter Cassie, who is 13, with his ex Emma Cannon. Thanks for watching. Have it all daily. Please like, share and subscribe.